Hey guys, what's up, Mr. Android here, and in today's video we are going to compare Samsung Galaxy A50 with an upcoming Samsung smartphone which is Samsung M40. Yes, you heard me right guys, Samsung has started teasing M40 and this phone is going to launch very soon in India, which is on 11th June. Well, almost all the specs has already been leaked for the smartphone and both of these smartphones are coming in the similar price range. So today we will find out whether you should buy Samsung Galaxy A50 or you should wait for Galaxy M40. With that being said, hit that like button and let's get started. So let's start with the display. Samsung Galaxy M40 is going to come with a beautiful 6.3 inches Infinity O design. The display is going to be amazing in this smartphone and it's the first budget smartphone which comes with the Infinity O design. But the only downside of this display is that it is coming with a LCD panel, and you won't be getting a Super AMOLED display in this phone. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy A50 comes with a beautiful 6.4 inches Super AMOLED Infinity U design. Guys, this display is just awesome. I know Samsung M40 has the Infinity O design which is the future, but still both these phones has got more than 90% skin to body ratio. And if you want a better quality display, then I would suggest you to go with Super AMOLED panel which you will get in A50. Now let's talk about the processor. You will get Exynos 9610 in Samsung Galaxy A50, which is a very good chipset, and I have been using this phone for more than 2 months now. I haven't found any lags or any issues in the performance. Overall, the performance of this phone is very good and it handles almost everything quite smoothly. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy M40 is coming with an Snapdragon 675, which is definitely better than Exynos 9610, and the performance is going to be amazing on this phone. It is the same chipset that you will find in Redmi Note 7 Pro or even Samsung Galaxy A70 as well. Both these phones has got 4GB and 6GB RAMs variant, so M40 is the clear winner in this department. Moving on to the cameras, you will get same triple camera setup in M40, but the primary lens is going to be 32 megapixels f1.7, while A50 has 25 megapixel primary lens, and both of these phones has got exactly same depth sensor and wide angle lens as well. So there won't be much difference in both the cameras. However, in front, M40 will come with 32 megapixel lens, while in A50 you will get only 25 megapixels. Both of these phones are quite good in the cameras and I don't think there will be much difference. Now let's talk about the battery. As per the leaks, you will be getting a 3500 mAh battery in M40. Guys, I'm really disappointed on this. I wish they would have come with at least 5000 mAh, while in Galaxy A50 we have got 4000 mAh battery, and because of its Super AMOLED display, battery backup on this phone will be much better if we compare with M40. Finally, let's talk about design and build. Both the smartphones has got the same glass stick design, but the major drawback of M40 is that there is no headphone jack. Yes, you heard me right guys, M40 is not coming with the headphone jack, and I know it will be a deal breaker for many of you guys. While in A50 you have got the headphone jack and you will also get the in-display fingerprint sensor, which is not present in M40. So overall, if you want a great Super AMOLED display and some additional features like headphone jack and in-display fingerprint sensor, you can definitely get Samsung Galaxy A50. Or if you want a better processor and this Infinity O design, then I would suggest you to wait and get Samsung Galaxy M40. Guys, I'm also planning to get Samsung Galaxy M40, and if you guys are interested in watching M40 videos in this channel, then let me know in the comment section. That's pretty much it. If you guys like the video, then be sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android and I will catch you guys in the next one.